Same thing over here.
Oh, is it over there?
Same thing.
Right there it is.
That's like the dam right there or something. Yeah, that's definitely, I'm going to say that's the dam for sure.
Yeah, definitely gotta get more clothes on. This is okay.
Alright. After this, we'll just follow this trail right back out.
Yeah.
Got a nice wood dock though.
Where's kind of the way she got?
Look at it, they got little steps down there where you can sit. Nice little pond or whatever.